Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to my channel. And if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment and let's start today's video. And in today's video, I'm gonna be telling you guys how you guys can change your username on Genshin Impact. Well, in the recent update of Genshin Impact, changing your username was disabled. I don't know why, but they disabled it. As you guys can see, I'm gonna go on my account over here, and as you guys can see, I can't do anything with my username. Account security setting, username, it says linked, but I cannot change it, as you guys can see. But I can modify my email or change my password as well. But with my username, I can't do anything. So to change my username on Genshin Impact, basically what I have to do is write an email to Genshin staff so they would change it. So for this, I'm gonna go to my Gmail. Once I'm in my Gmail, I'm gonna click on where it says compose, and I have to write email to these two accounts of Genshin Impact, Genshin_cm at miHoYo.com, the other Genshin_cs at miHoYo.com, and the subject is gonna be changing username. And now in the body, write this. So you wanna write this email: hello, I want my Genshin Impact username to be changed, so please help me with it. Thank you. And on over here on your email, you want to write the email which you use for your Genshin Impact account. And after that, you want to click on send, and the staff of Genshin Impact will reply to you on this email. And according to what they say, do the following steps and your username will be changed. So you cannot change like your username by going over here on your account. Like in the past you could, but right now you can't. I don't know why they removed the feature, but now writing the email to them is the only right way you can change your username. That's basically how you guys can change your Genshin Impact username. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button to our channel so you guys can get notified for more Genshin Impact related video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.